Step 1. To search and message candidates, go to www.switchidea.com. Step 2. Click on the Login option in the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. A login window will open up now. Fill in your login details and click on Login. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be taken to the employer dashboard. To find interns, you can use any of the three options: search by location, category or keyword. Step 4. Once you have found a candidate and want more information about him or her, you can click on View Complete Profile option. The candidate profile will open up now. You can see all the details of that candidate here. You will see an option to message the candidate. You can compose a message and it will be sent to the candidate. On the same page, you can also find the option to download the resume.